In this section, I want to show you an example of use of slicer and pivot table. So in the previous video, I show you what a slicer is. The call center here, whose performances are characterized by giving a customer ID to each call. Here saying basically for each customer the duration of a call, purchase amount, okay, you can put the data you want here. Okay, and I create my table. Okay, here we are. We have our part. Now we're going to do the exercise. This is data. Okay, and we're going to create some pivot tables from the existing one. So we have now our table with the customer ID, duration of calls per customer, the purchase amount for each customer, the representative of this customer ID, and the date of the call. So for each call we have a representative who was responsible of the call, took the call, the amount for this purchase, the duration of the call, and the customer ID. So now we're going to evaluate the performances of this call center. So these are call center data. Okay, so video how to create our pivot table. In the previous course, I show you how to create a pivot table. I will show you this again in the next video.